In order to set up a server for running WordPress on a Windows machine, we're going to come to the XAMPP website and click on XAMPP for Windows. We'll then come down and download the latest version. I'm going to click on the installer version here to download. Once it's fully downloaded, I could click to open it up and run it. We'll go ahead to continue with our installation, and then click through the installation process. We're going to uncheck the Bitnami. However, for the rest of the configurations, you'll notice that we left them the same, and we're running the basic default XAMPP install process here. Once everything is installed, we'll go ahead and click Finish, and it'll automatically open up the control panel for us. Once we have this open, we can click on to Start Apache, as well as Start MySQL, and any of the other services that we may need. We can then come into our browser, and if we go to localhost, we can see that it redirects us into the XAMPP subfolder and loads a splash.php page. All of the files when we're working in this setup are going to be located inside of our C drive, inside a XAMPP folder, inside of htdocs. We can see that here are all the files currently set up, and we can create a new folder here, name it testsite.com, come into this and create a new test file. So I'll come into Notepad, create a new file, and save it into XAMPP, htdocs, and test site. I'll name the file index.php. I'm also going to come into my main htdocs folder and delete a bunch of these current files that are here that I won't need anymore. Now, when I come back to my local server and I click on localhost, I should see my testsite.com folder, and I can tell that the PHP is loading properly. In the future, I could store other sites, whether they're WordPress installs or otherwise, inside of this htdocs folder, just like I have my test site.